In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can disable app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notification and Status bar. Then click on App Notifications and select all apps at the top to click on one of those sorting options. I want to see my apps with most frequent notifications, so I have to hit here. Now by tapping on blue switchers next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switchers. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!